system. Right here, you can see we have a marking apparatus, and it can actually be mounted to the device for stationary marking or removed for portable marking. And here you can see the protective cover, which is made of laser safety glass, so you can keep your eyes safe while you mark. And also with this system, you get the EasyCAD 2 marking software, which you can just upload onto your computer, and from there plug your computer into the device, and then have total control over it. And in this program, you can input your own images, edit your own images, adjust the marking software parameters. There's any number of things that can be done in there. And right over here, we'll just go ahead and demonstrate the marking of a few different materials. The first material we have is coated aluminum. Then material 2, we have uncoated aluminum. And material 3 is a stainless steel pipe that has been coated with chromium. And then over here we have a vertical mounted piece of brass just to demonstrate the maneuverability of the apparatus. And all of the different marks that are seen here are just one type of marking that's achievable with the EasyCAD 2 software and this marking system. There are different kinds of marks that can be achieved with varying depths and textures and colors as well. The numbers, or the options, are essentially limited.